Have you ever wanted to capture the essence of amazing apricots? Some beautiful tequila that's infused with jalapenos? Well, you are speaking our language here at Sonya's Sweet and Spicy Kitchen today. We're on the road with Lisa at Francesca's Restaurant in Patterson. She's going to show you at her kitchen how she makes this amazing drink that they call the Spicy Apricot Margarita. So, what do you think? Let's get started?
Oh, let's get started, Sonia.
We're doing this. Like I mentioned, everyone, here we are at Francesca's Restaurant in Patterson, California, and I have the lovely Lisa of Francesca's, who is the owner, and she has made an amazing spicy apricot margarita. But before we get started, go on down below and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the insight and the updates on when we have amazing videos like this. So we're going to jump right into this. Lisa, tell me all about Francesca's and tell us what you're going to be doing for us today.
Well, at the beginning of opening our restaurant, being here in Patterson, the apricot capital of the world, we just knew we needed something special.
Right.
So we tried to come up with a really good recipe for a spicy apricot margarita. So here at Francesca's, we did struggle to come up with the perfect apricot margarita. Being the apricot capital of the world, we had to have some high standards on what we were going to serve.
Absolutely.
So when we were introduced to the spicy jalapenos, your sweet and spicy jalapenos, and with this,
Tanteos. Woo!
Yeah, jalapeno infused tequila, we came up with a perfect recipe, and I'm so happy to share it with you.
I know, I'm so
All
excited.
right, let me get started here. Of course, first, we have our shaker. In it, we add, of course, some wonderful jalapenos. Of course, your sweet and spicy jalapenos.
Oh, gotta do the sweet and spicy.
We add a little bit of ice. And with that ice, you have to use your muddler here because we're muddling your jalapeno, your sweet and spicy sauce all into the ice, building it up for a wonderful drink. After we muddle it and get that nice infusion going.
I can smell that already.
Yeah, isn't that wonderful?
Yum.
We add some of our apricot puree.
Oh, that looks awesome.
All right, that's about a tablespoon. And what is a margarita without some fresh lime?
Ooh.
We'll squeeze a little bit of that in there. Oh yeah, get that nice and juicy. All right, after that, 2 ounces of our tequila.
Oh, this Tanteos is awesome.
A little bit of sweet and sour.
Sweet and sour for the sweet and spicy.
There you go. And then we're going to add a little bit of this wonderful Sonya sweet and spicy jalapeno syrup.
The juice, yeah.
Yeah, the juice is where it's at. All right, every margarita needs a good shake, 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 shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, 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 shake.
I love.
And do this when I need to. There we go.
Ooh. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that Patterson is the apricot capital of the world, and they have all kinds of apricot fests during the summer and stuff. So,
Look at that.
should I add more?
Okay, let me add a little bit more ice because who doesn't like a chilled drink on a hot day? There we go. And then to top it off, as you can see here.
Ooh, but you can smell all the great
There
flavors.
we go. So, Sonia, will you do the honors and have a sip of our wonderful fabulous?
Certainly, I cannot wait. I can smell it from here. I'm so excited. One thing I do on my videos is always do the happy food dance, and this is, I'm taking this away. I'm calling it the day off today. I'm totally taking the rest of the day off. This is awesome. The perfect blend, sweet, spicy. You can taste the tequila, and it's unlike any other tequila that you've had because it is infused with the jalapenos, and you can get as creative. Now, sometimes people do rim this with all different kinds of spicy stuff too, don't they?
Oh my goodness, yes. We sometimes rim it with some Tajin, and then I think we're just introduced to this wonderful Tanteo. Has this wonderful jalapeno sauce.
Oh, Tanteo Jalapeno Sauce.
There we go, Tanteo Jalapeno Sauce. So,
in a cute little bag.
I know,
It's like a little bag of gold.
We are just so, here at Francesca's, we just love trying something new. So with your sweet and spicy jalapenos, the jalapeno infused tequila, we came up with the perfect drink. So I hope you can come out and try it with us.
Yeah, definitely. And for those of you who are looking for different flavors, what other kind of things have you used the peppers and our jalapenos in?
Oh
here?
my goodness. My husband in the back of the house, he runs the kitchen and he has come up with some fabulous recipes. He uses this for a wonderful Patterson hamburger we make. We also, you make a sweet and spicy a wing sauce.
Oh, that sounds
So those are some of the current recipes we're doing, and always looking to create something more and new.
good. Awesome. Wow. Well, this was quick and easy. Oh my goodness. I know that I cannot put this down. Sorry. This is just to die for. To die for. But I'm going to have you try it. What do you think for your own beautiful creation?
Oh
Is
my
it?
goodness.
I know.
The spice just tickles your tongue.
Yes.
The sweetness and the apricot, fabulous.
I know.
Fabulous.
Fabulous. Awesome.
Just the recipe and the combination we're looking for.
Yeah, and this is perfect. We're just coming up here on, as far as this video is dated, we are just coming up on Thanksgiving. So this is the perfect time to be serving up some apricot margaritas for this amazing holiday, because these are fall colors. Throw in some extra, throw in some red peppers on here and turn this into a Christmas drink, a new traditional Christmas drink that you can treat to your family and friends. So
Bring something different to the table.
I know,
There you go.
Definitely. Remember, folks, if you are on Facebook, go online to facebook.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy. Check out Instagram, instagram.com/Sonya Sweet Spicy, and of course Francesca's. And what is your social media information?
We're Francesca's R&L. We're on, you can find us on Instagram. We also have a Facebook page, Francesca's Restaurant and Lounge here in Patterson, right off the Highway 5. So come and join us.
Yeah, there's lots happening here in the Central Valley. So that's a wrap today, everyone. Here, let's do a cheers.
Oh yes.
We're gonna cheers. We're gonna knock this thing out of the park today, and make sure you check us out. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, and shop with us at sonyasweetspicy.com/shop. There we go. All right. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.
Thank you.
Cheers. Can we have a blooper reel? No. This is great.